Welcome to the Points Diva channel. My family just returned from a 2-week European vacation where we traveled to Mallorca and Madrid, Spain, as well as Lisbon, Portugal, all while traveling in business class as a family of 4. In this video, I'll discuss how much we spent using points and miles and all of our out-of-pocket costs. Let's get into it. Let's first discuss flights. Flying to Madrid, we flew Air France Boeing 777-300 business class. At the time of booking, Chase was having a 25% transfer bonus. I was able to transfer 120,000 points and gain an extra 30,000 miles. For 3 business class seats and Aspen's lap infant ticket, we paid 151,250 Air France miles and $1,098 in taxes. The total price for this flight would have been $23,062. For the return flight back to the States, we flew American Airlines business class on the Boeing 787-8. I used 135,000 Alaska Airlines miles for my Alaska credit card to book 3 business class seats and paid $747 for taxes and Aspen's lap infant seats. The regular rate would have cost $10,646. For the internal flights within Europe and round trip from and to our home airport, we paid an additional $594 and 30,000 Air France miles. Now let's discuss hotels. We stayed at 4 different hotels over the 2 weeks. In Madrid, we stayed at the JW Marriott Madrid and paid 103,072 Marriott points. With Mr. O Lifetime Titanium Elite status, we were offered free breakfast and paid $216 in other food and bar costs. The actual cost for this hotel would have been $1,234. In Mallorca, we first stayed at the Hilton Mallorca Galatzó to be close to the old town. I used 2 Hilton free night certificates. Our out-of-pocket costs were $194 for dinner and drinks. Because I have diamond status, we were offered free breakfast. The regular rate for this hotel would have been $611. The second hotel was the Iberostar Albufera. With this IHG property, if you book 3 nights with points, you'll get the 3rd night free. This hotel was completely free since it was also an all-inclusive. We used 327,000 IHG points and paid $0 in taxes. The regular room rate would have been $2,423. For the last hotel in Lisbon, Portugal, we booked the Hyatt Regency Lisboa. This was probably the best redemption because we were able to use a free night certificate from the Hyatt credit card. We also used a suite upgrade certificate to upgrade our room for free. We paid $149 for breakfast and other bar costs. The total cost for 3 nights would have been $844. For other miscellaneous costs for airport parking, airport pickups, food costs, and excursions, we paid $2,091.79. So, for a total for this 2-week trip to 2 countries and 3 cities, we paid $5,091.54 for a trip that could have cost $44,475.01. I know. So to wrap this video up, with a little flexibility like leaving from different airports, leaving during the week, or having points with different banks like American Express, Chase, or Capital One, you can have a similar vacation with just a little proper planning. If this seems really complicated, I know, please check out my beginner's guide on how to get started with earning points and miles. If you still need some help, please reach out via my pointsdiva.com website for a consultation. If you enjoyed this European series, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you again for watching.